Is your Apple CarPlay dropping out or refusing to connect in your Hyundai Santa Fe? Data shows that the vast majority of these glitches are caused by simple cable faults rather than system hardware failure. Let us break down the troubleshooting process into quick, actionable steps. Start by inspecting your cable and cleaning the ports, as physical connections are the most common point of failure. If physical checks fail, try clearing the device pairing and performing a soft reset on your infotainment system. Sometimes deeper iOS security settings or outdated vehicle firmware can block the handshake between your devices. Most fixes are easy, but if you have tried everything and it still fails, you may have a wiring fault requiring professional help. As you can see, the vast majority of solutions cost next to nothing compared to a full unit replacement. Always test with a second phone before assuming your Hyundai's head unit is the problem. Keep these simple items in your glove box to handle connectivity drops while on the road. Remember, start with the simplest fix first, and you will save yourself a significant amount of time and money. If these steps fixed your CarPlay, let us know in the comments below.